Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ma'am and hello guys. My name is Salsabila with absent number 7.
And my name is Ichsanilsabr with absent number 21. We are going to show you how to make wax polish for your vehicle.
40 milliliters of silicone oil. 50 milliliters premium silicone emulsion. 200 milliliters of water. Bottle spray. And the first step you need to do is prepare a container that already contains a silicone emulsion. Second, put water into the container. Stir until evenly distributed.
Third step is slowly mix silicone oil into the container. And then stir frequently. After everything is well blended, transfer the glossy liquid into the spray bottle.